Now, if we look at where the module is that we've been working with, it's inside of our Sites All Modules directory. And then here's our folder. In most Drupal installations, we'll want to put custom modules inside of a custom folder. So this is a good opportunity to take a look at how to move files in Git. Now there's two different approaches. The first is to use the git move command, and the second is to move them yourself, and then use git add with a capital A as a parameter, and it will automatically sense your moves. So let's go ahead and do one at a time. I'm going to go ahead and open up the modules folder, and I'm going to create a folder called custom. And let's go ahead and demonstrate the Git way to do it. I'm going to do pwd to see where we're at in our directory. It looks like we're in the Sites All Modules input directory. Let's go ahead and jump up one. So we're in the modules directory. I'm going to do ls to check out what's in the directory. It looks like we're in the right place. So we want to move input into custom. So we do this using git move, which is mv, and then you put what you want to move and then where you want to move it to. Now if we take a look at our folder structure, we just have custom here. Let's take a look inside of custom, and now we see the input folder inside of there. If we use git status to see what's happened with our files, it shows us that we've renamed all of the files that are inside of input. Notice it says renamed input/input admin inc to custom input admin inc, and so on. Okay, let's go ahead and do this again, but using the alternate method. Let's go ahead and move these changes from staged to unstaged by using git reset head. And now if we do git status one more time, we'll see that the actual move wasn't reversed. Instead now it got moved, but there's no git record of it. So it looks like a whole bunch of files have been deleted, and then there's an additional custom directory that has all of our new files in it. So let's go back to the file structure, expand custom, and move input back out again, so it's on the same level. If we go back to the command line and do git status, we should see nothing to commit now. Okay, so the alternate way to do this, I'm going to go back to the file structure, and I'm going to drag over input and put it inside of custom. Now again, if we do git status, we'll see the deleted files and the untracked files. But if we use the git add command, now again git add is to stage files to get ready for a commit, and we pass it the capital A parameter. Now we don't want to pass it the lowercase a, we want the capital A. And it's important to know that one caveat is that you can have made other changes to the repository as well. And we hit enter, and then we do git status again. We see the same thing that happened when we use the move command. It says renamed input.admin inc to custom input.admin inc. So this is actually quite intelligent. Git is sensing when a file is the same as a file that was in a different position earlier. Let's go ahead and commit this change using git commit m, and then the message that we're going to pass. I went ahead and typed moved input module to custom directory. I'm going to hit enter, and now all of the files got renamed. And if we do git status one more time, we're good to go.